Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesdays. So starting off, we have one space left here that we need to fill with a challenge. So I'm going to roll this die. We're going to move forward, I guess just two, 1 and 2. All right, so this is by Budgets with Alma. That way it randomizes the tiny that I'm using, and I don't feel like anyone is getting left out, because I have so many tinies to use, so many talented creators out here. All right, so today we have $25, I believe, with a buyback 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, I guess we have $30. $30, one buyback 5. Let's roll. Whatever challenge it lands on gets 2 bills. Challenge number 1, challenge number 6, number 2, number 5, number 6, number 5, number 5 again, number 1, we need a 3, number 4, no, we need a 3. Number 1 again. Why can't we get a 3? Give us a 3. Give us a 3. Number 2. And hold on, let me buy back some money here, because I think this one has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it does. Okay, so our 5 will go there. Number 3. Hey, finally. Number 3, wait until the last second to get in on this game here. And last 2 are going to 2. Okay, so let me clean this up. So I hope y'all are having a great Tuesday. I am recording this on Sunday. I'm kind of trying to get ahead because I have my Doodlers box that I'm going to be working on this week, and I've already had like 9 people purchased the pre-sale box, so I'm going to be working on getting those together over the next few days, and I don't want to be too overwhelmed, so I'm pre-filming a little bit here. All right, this first challenge is by Marissa's Monopoly Money. It got $1, and we finished this challenge today. So today is $5.25, and we have $1, 2, 3, 4, $5 saved with this challenge today. All right, so that's one challenge completed. Yay. Our next one is by What's Poppin' Sunshine, and this just needed $1, you guys, to finish. So we have a lot of extra money today. I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess we'll have to get some new challenges in here, huh? All right, so there's that. So $5.25, and we should have 7, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. $7. So yesterday, Saturday, I went over to where Vicky from Vicky Thinks lives and hung out with her for the day. So that was so fun. I loved that. Got to do that with her. All right, this next challenge is by CBA Mom Saves. We needed $4, and we had 2 left over here, so we did finish this challenge because we got 2 more dollars here. So we can cross this one out. And let's see how much we saved. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. So $5.25, we saved $10. So yeah, it was really fun to hang out with Vicky in real life. We had a really great time. She showed me around her town. She lives in a cute little town. It's adorable. and we just had a fun time catching up, like in person. It was great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is by Budgets with Elma. I'm gonna make each one of these ladybugs 2. So we have 2, 4, 6. Let's set that over here for now because we have a lot of extra money here. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it, guys. So 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. We only needed 4, so I'm just gonna grab $4 from here. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that was a roundabout way to get $6. Okay, $6 saved with this. This one is by Budget with Amanda. And we finished this one today as well. How exciting. We are finishing so many challenges today for our Tiny Tot Tuesdays. Why can't I get a paper clip? There you go. Okay, and our last challenge here, this one was by Happy Budgeting Mom. Each icon is $1, and we needed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna steal $1 from here and finish this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. This is our last Tiny Tuesday of the month. So I love that we're finishing all these challenges. We're making some great progress today. All right, so we finished that one. Let's see if we can finish this one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, we can. 2 and 4. So this one should save us 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we finished that challenge. Now, oh my goodness, how much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7. Okay. I guess we need another challenge. Okay, so let me roll. Actually, that should be back there. Let me roll this die again, and we'll see which challenge we're going to use. Is that a 5? 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is Speaking of Vicky by my friend Vicky Thinks. We have these cute little avocados. Okay, so we have $7 here we can add to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we'll probably finish this one next week. So we have some amazing savings today, guys, with all of these challenges. Look at all these finished challenges that we were able to finish today. So fun. I'm so excited. This was all 6 challenges. Can y'all believe that? We finished all 6 of our challenges today. That is crazy. Okay, so we're going to put these challenges in my finished challenges bag right here. And she is getting thick, y'all. She's going to be even thicker with these added challenges in here. Look at that. So exciting. It always makes me so excited to see what we're going to be saving at the end of the month with all those finished challenges. So if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing so that you can stick around and see what we ended up saving for the whole month of May. I was like, what month are we in right now? May. And if you made it to the end of this video, leave me a little mushroom. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.